Hi everyone, welcome to T42. I am Tai.
Hi, I'm 小静。
This is the 6th episode of Bilingual Tea Guide.
欢迎来到第6集的中英双语茶词汇。
This is a continuous series sharing Chinese English tea vocabulary and sentences.
这是一个中英茶词汇与例句的连载分享系列，欢迎大家持续追踪我们的频道。
In the last episode, we talked about the process of green, yellow, and white tea.
上一集的系列中，我们聊到了绿茶、黄茶、白茶的制作工艺。
In today's episode, we are going to talk about the process of oolong, black, and dark tea in both Mandarin and English.
在今天的影片里啊，我们会提到分享关于乌龙茶、红茶、黑茶的制作工艺等相关中英文字汇。让我们开始吧
Let's go!
Let's go! Go 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 go! Go 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 go! 乌龙 tea! How do you make 乌龙 tea?
乌龙茶是如何制作的呢？
这个我来回答。萎凋、做青、杀青、揉捻、干燥。
Weathering, oxidation, fixation, rolling or we call rubbing. The last one is called drying.
乌龙茶的萎凋方式有分日光萎凋，还有室内萎凋啊，其中以日光萎凋最佳。
For weathering in oolong, we have sun weathering or indoor weathering. Sun weathering is the best.
乌龙茶的做青制成呢，透过摇青与静置交替进行，进而形成乌龙茶独有的香气与风味。
A repetitive process of shaking and resting the tea leaves during the oxidation, creating the distinctive aroma and flavor of oolong tea. 很香，就香呢。
罗马
Aroma,
aroma
aroma. 不是罗马 aroma.
black tea 红茶 black pink
韩国女子团体 Process of the black tea are weathering, rolling or rubbing, oxidation and drying.
红茶的制作工艺有萎凋、揉捻、发酵、干燥。
The rolling and oxidation for the black tea usually take many hours.
红茶的揉捻与发酵制作过程通常都需要好几个小时。Black pink 的制作过程通常都要好几十年。
Yeah, the rolling and oxidation for the black pink usually takes many years.
这个小编一定会剪掉。
没错。During the oxidation process in black tea production, the tea leaves turns from green to coppery red color, and the grassy aroma transforms into sweet, floral, and fruity scents.
在红茶制作的发酵过程中啊，茶叶会由绿转为红铜色，青草的气味则会转变成甜香和果香、花香。Dark tea 黑茶，大家还记得我们提到的普洱熟茶是属于6大茶类中的黑茶吗？
The process of dark tea are fixation, rolling or rubbing, wet paling, and drying.
黑茶的制作工艺为杀青、揉捻、渥堆、干燥。
这是打包啊 Packing, not wet paling, packing.
渥堆是黑茶独有的核心工序。
Wet paling is the unique core process exclusive to dark tea.
将揉捻后的茶叶堆积成堆，洒水并覆盖湿布，缓慢氧化。
The roll leaves are piled approximately 1 meter high and sparked with water, covered with a damp cloth, and slowly oxidized.
渥堆的茶叶颜色啊，会慢慢的转回黄褐色、深褐色或黑色。
During the wet paling, the color of the tea leaves turns to yellowish brown, deep brown, or black.
我们来复习一下几个重点词汇吧。
Withering,
萎凋、
sun weathering,
日光萎凋、
oxidation,
发酵。乌龙茶的做青也是发酵过程哦。
fixation,
刷青。
What? Piling.
我堆。
Packing. 打包. In the next episode, we are going to move on to raw pour and ripe pour teas process. So stay tuned.
下一集啊，我们会接着介绍生熟普洱茶的制成，敬请期待。未来你还想学什么茶相关的单字？
What tea-related words do you want to learn in the future episode?
在下面留言告诉我们。
Leave a comment below.
别忘了订阅频道并开启小铃铛，我们下次影片见。
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So see you in the next episode. Bye.
See you， 拜拜。
这次 notification 我讲对，上一集我讲错
没有
了。
人在。
有啦，大家很多人会看到最后，不然大家留言，有看到最后的可以留言。
会有聊礼物吗？
到店里面。
将揉捻后的茶叶堆积成堆，洒水，一定要做这么多动作。
可以不做。对